Hey everyone, welcome back to the concert hall. I'm Sonny, and that's the action. I hope everyone's having a super amazing day. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, I'm just going to do a little bit of administration, and then we're going to cruise through into our lesson for today. Today's lesson, we're going to put our little exercise, our forward motion exercise, into Autumn Leaves, the song Autumn Leaves. And you're going to want to stick around for this because there's a time thing in Autumn Leaves. So I'll explain it as we move along. Plus, we want to get this in a song like Autumn Leaves. And then next week, we're going to apply this technique to a little bit of John Coltrane stuff. I'm going to show you how John Coltrane, I know we're studying bebop, right? But I'm going to show you how Coltrane uses this approach in a little bit of a hard bop approach. And then the video after that is going to be rhythm changes. You want to know a little bit of how Coltrane uses this so that your rhythm change is more fun. So that's the deal with that. That's the videos coming up. Now, a little bit of administration stuff. Hey, guys, I have a little bit of bad news. So the thanks for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. I didn't expect anyone to watch these videos. But I'm guessing a bunch of my old students and guys I used to play with and people I used to know. I used to own a music studio in North Vancouver. So not that that means anything. Okay, whatever. Sorry. And so I know a bunch of people, and it looks like you're watching, and they want to know what's going on. So I'm in Toronto right now. I'm back in Toronto. My dad passed away in last fall, about 6 months or so ago, and my mom passed away about 3-4 weeks ago. And so I'm getting divorced. You guys know that girl that I went to marry, right? I'm getting divorced from that girl in Chicago. So, right, I should have taken your advice. One of the parents said to me, "Hey, Sonny, don't you think you should date someone who actually likes you?" I don't see why I should start now. It's like, all right, here we go. Helmut said that. Anyways, here we go. So that's what I've been up to. I hope everyone is super cool all over the world, all my friends and family all over the world. I hope everyone's having super amazing. That's what's going on here. All right, here we go. Let's do our little Autumn Leaves thing and try not to stress anything out. Remember, a day playing music or a day with music is better than a day not or without. All right, cue the introduction. All right, here we go. Jazz. Oh man. I think I understand jazz. Oh yeah, right. Whatever. You have a better chance to understand. Okay, whatever. Let's get down to it. All right, so here we go. Autumn Leaves. I have a new style of recording stuff. I'm recording it in video format, and then I'm going to edit it. So normally I just do everything live because that's how we do it, right? So all right, here we go. So Autumn Leaves starts like this. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay, no, first you want to know key signatures. So a little bit of Delamont theory here. Don't stress anything out today, guys. You're going to see some chords. We're just going to play the first 8 bars of Autumn Leaves and loop it around a couple of times. So you're going to see some chords here, which are like, whoa, man. Let's just look at it. So B minor, for me, the 2 chord. So this song is 2-5-1 in major. Then there's a pivot chord. Don't worry about it. The 4 chords a pivot chord. And then it's 2-5-1 in the relative minor. That's it, man. Any key you play Autumn Leaves in, it's 2-5-1 in major, pivot chord, which we're going to breathe, right? So 2-5-1 pivot chord. And then there's 2-5-1 in minor. That's it. So for today, you can groove this song up however you want, but today, we're going to play everything in the major. All right? No confusion, no funny notes or anything like that, because we are using a bebop approach, and in our bebop approach uses a lot of passing tones. So let's just keep everything cool to the key. Here we go. First, the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The melody is in quarter notes. When I play this song with my band, well, I don't play in a band anymore. But I used to play with my band. I used to play this time, so Autumn Leaves in a cut time feel. So it'd be 1, be 1, ba-doo-goo ga, ba-doo-goo ga ga, But today, let's just be cool. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here we go. There's music over here somewhere. First 8 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. there you go. Not the biggest deal in the world. Let's do it once more, and I'll like sunny it up a little bit. How I might play it on the gig. So listen closely. Not too much. All right. Well, whatever, man. That's how I play. Well, you don't have to like it. You go to the bar across the street. I don't care. Because what? Coffee. Anyways, whatever. It's just a coffee shop, whatever. You can sit outside. So here we go. Now, so here we go. You guys catch that? So in Autumn Leaves, the song is, it's 1 bar a chord. And in our exercise, it's 2 bars. it's one, Autumn Leaves is 1 chord per bar, 2-5-1. In our exercise, it's 2 chords per bar. Now, here we go. One of the reasons we're doing Autumn Leaves is because I'm going to get you into playing faster, right? A double time feel, more, you're going to be playing 16th notes and some faster music. So like a lot of the stuff that I do when I'm teaching you guys, or when we're working together, or when I practice, I try and practice many things at the same time. And I know, all right, contrary to popular belief, but that's how I do it. Practicing many things at the same time. And so you're going to hear right now, one of the things we're practicing, okay, so we're going to work on that down the road. But one of the things we're practicing right now is hearing the chord changes. That's why we're playing Autumn Leaves. It's a tricky thing, but we definitely want to build musicianship as we go along. All right, here we go. Autumn Leaves. So that's the melody, right? So it's into the third, into the whatever, okay? So now we're going to play our exercise. We're going to play down into the root of each of these chords. Now check it out. The melody is 1, 2, 3. It's 1. All right, that's the melody. But we're playing 8th notes. So here, and it's written out. So check it out. So here we go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So here we go. You guys catch that? Not bad, huh? We could hear the chord changes. So the next time you're outlining chords, you're not going to be like, blah, blah, blah. Come on, man. This is creative music. Try and be expressive. Practice as you play as you practice. Let's do it once more. Descending into the roots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's mix it up a little bit. So let's see what we'll do. I'll descend a couple, and I'll ascend into the roots of a couple. So there's a little bit of descending motion, up and down motion. Okay, so there's a little bit of motion here. All right, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So here we go. Before we do that, listen to this. Listen to this. So there's, if I did this, ascend into the B natural, or ascend into the, the first note, kind of starts to sound a little bit like the bridge, which is, so like, whatever. All right, let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, I messed it up. I forgot what song I was playing. Autumn Leaves. Let's try it again. Oh, I did it. Up and down. Okay. This is not the greatest. We're not blowing heavy jazz on Autumn Leaves today. We're just applying our exercise into a song. And as we're doing it, we're actively trying to hear the chord motion in the song, the progression, right? Let's do it again. So we have ascending and we have descending, and we also have that we're going to wrap the third a little bit. we're going to enclose the third with a 3-note enclosure, because our approach notes are 3 notes, right? So we're going to do a 3-note enclosure. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Hey, not bad. Starting to sound like. Here we go. Let's try it again. I thought that one was pretty cool. So these are the only tools we're using right now into the tone, and you can play into any of the chord tones. You'll see when we do the Coltrane thing next week that he does a lot of playing into the third, which is cool, man, because we had that little video of fooling around on the third, right? So like okay, whatever. That's more than the third. The third is like whatever. Okay, man. I hope everyone is having a super amazing day. So that's the deal. We're putting it into songs now. Now you have a choice, man. When someone says, "Hey, let's spell the chords of Autumn Leaves," you can let's do Autumn Leaves. Let's run the chords of Autumn Leaves. You can sit there and you can play. Or you could start playing music right away. Practice as you play as you practice. Oh my God, back at Humber, they used to drill us. They used to make us memorize all these maxims. Oh my God, but I use them all these years later. Play as you practice as you play as you practice. Autumn Leaves again. So instead of we're going to add a little motion to it. That's it. We're not doing anything heavy, man. We're not even playing into any funky notes. Just play. I'm not even playing into the third. Again, nobody's actually, just good. All right, whatever, man. There we go. All right, 12 minutes. There's your lesson for the week. Hope everyone has a super amazing day. Please, please, please share the videos. Help me grow this channel. I was doing it just for fun with the ukulele stuff for the, the preschoolers and the recorder stuff for the preschoolers. And then I put a little bit out there for all of the people who used to know me, who were still studying in the conservatory exam, some information for them. And I just made these for fun. But it looks like you guys are watching. So please support the channel. I'll make more. And that's the action. From TheSunnySide.net, I'm Sonny. I guess I'm from the Sunnyside Music Studio now. From the concert hall. Wishing everyone the best of a super beautiful day. Jazz. Wishing everybody the best. And I'll see you guys soon.